We'll make a recording today of the sewer line here at 6515 3rd Northwest. Dates November 12th, 2020. I'm making this from the clean out here in the back of the house. What we're looking at now is a Seattle City main. This is approximately 125 feet out or so. We're going to get a more accurate count on the way back here. So coming back from the main, we're coming into 6-inch diameter clay piping here. So this is all 6-inch diameter original clay to when this house was built. According to the map, this is a shared section of sewer line. We're going to look here as we come back and see if we can't find a tie-in for the neighboring house as the map indicates. There it is. Okay. So the neighbor does come in right there into the line. There was a small section of broken pipe down there. I'm going to go find out where this is in relation to the yard here. So pausing the video, or we're just going to go take a look here. Okay, we've located that section 6 feet deep out in the parking strip, just inside the curb. So, coming back into 4-inch diameter pipe at this point. So we were in 6-inch diameter. Looks like there's about 30 feet of that. Zero us out. Not in there so hot, is it?
It's got a flex thing in there.
Oh. Starting to get a little sand in here.
Yeah.
That sand showing me that somewhere along the line those seams are starting to separate, or more than likely that's exactly what's happening. Starting to duck underwater here at about the 20 feet back or so point.
Pretty much where the house is.
Yeah, let's go locate that spot. We've got grade until about that green bell right there. Can you get around for a
Yeah.
sec?
You might have to step over the thing.
zero out footage again. Start tracking this belly. Essentially, you have to dig that 65 feet and try to correct the grade.
Well, I'm sorry, say that again.
You essentially have to start the trench here,
Yep.
and trench all the way around the back of the house and put new pipe in and correct the grade.
That's it.
And start where you have grade. That's the shitty part about having a grade issue is you got to start where you have grade and you got to dig to where you have grade again and then correct the grade through it. Yep.
Yeah.
So a lot of the stuff we try to do now is trenchless. We try to avoid I mean, that's what the liner and the pipe bursting and all that stuff is, so we don't have to tear up your whole yard.
Yeah.
When it comes to grade issues, there's nothing you can do trenchlessly to correct grade. So the trench would essentially start there, about less than a foot deep. I mean, this thing is shallow as all heck through here.
Yep.
And then run it all the way out to almost by the sidewalk. And I mean, this part back here, you dig by hand. Dig this by hand. Pretty much have to dig the whole damn thing out of the house. Then you can get the back on there. So digging in the back. Your other option is you repair this now, or you maintenance by either dealing with backups as they occur, right, getting somebody out right away, or doing kind of a maintenance jetting and cleaning it once a year, and then trying to keep it from building up the grease that accumulates because of it's just stagnant sitting in there. Yeah, no, so having grease built up on the side, the toilet paper doesn't really move like it should. I mean, ideally you flush that 1.6, goes down a water slide and takes it all in the city main. Yeah. You're hitting the pool. So if your options are maintenance, cleaning, maybe once, twice a year, just getting something down there to blast the grease out. Dig this, which is going to be a lot of labor.
A lot of labor,
yeah. I mean, we're talking, I'm going to ballpark it at 15-ish, 15K, or deal with, like I said, deal with the backup that they occur, pay the emergency fee, and just kind of six area you got when it comes down to sell. You're going to have to either fix it at that point or absorb that into your sale. But yeah, so that's where you're at.
No, I mean, I kind of figured, when I heard the dip,
yeah,
shit, that's not
and it's not just a baby dip. I mean, it's not like just two belts. And sometimes we see that and we dig 10-foot long trench and a little thing. Yeah. This is 65 feet of trench and start with that foot and then 5, hauling dirt off. Yeah, it'd be a problem. I mean, it's not anything we haven't done before, but it's where is your motivation and where is your... I'm going to finish this out here, coming out of the back. And there's that clean out we went through.